Hello, my friends, and welcome back to the You Can Do TV channel. In today's video, we will explore the process from cashew seedling production to planting, harvesting, and processing cashews. Cashew tree propagation is a critical process in the cultivation of cashew nuts. First, farmers need to prepare the soil by loosening it and making it suitable for seedling propagation. In the seed selection step, farmers must choose seeds from healthy and mature cashew trees. The selected seeds should be of good quality, free from any diseases or deformities, and have a high germination rate. Once the seeds are selected, the next step is seed soaking. The seeds are soaked in water for about 24 hours. Soaking helps soften the hard seed coat, allowing water and nutrients to penetrate and stimulate germination. After soaking, the seeds are placed in a warm and moist environment for germination. A common method is to wrap the seeds in coconut fiber to retain moisture. Once the seeds have germinated and developed into seedlings with visible roots and shoots, they are carefully transplanted into individual pots filled with a well-prepared soil mixture. The soil should be loose, well-draining, and nutrient-rich to support healthy growth. After transplanting, proper care is essential for the seedling's growth and establishment. The seedlings need regular watering to keep the soil consistently moist but not saturated. Inadequate watering can hinder growth, while excessive watering may lead to root rot. As the seedlings grow, they need protection from extreme weather conditions, pests, and diseases. Shade netting can be used to shield them from intense sunlight. Pests and diseases should be promptly addressed to prevent damage to the young seedlings. When the seedlings have grown to a suitable size, grafting can be performed to create new cashew trees with desired characteristics. Grafting is a crucial technique in cashew tree cultivation to ensure the propagation of desirable traits and improve yield. The grafting process typically takes place when the cashew trees start flowering and are actively growing. Timing is critical for successful grafting. The first step involves preparing the rootstock by ensuring proper pruning and selecting the right variety to be grafted onto it. Next, the selected scion, which is the shoot or bud of the desired cashew variety, is carefully cut to fit precisely into the prepared rootstock. The cuts on both the scion and rootstock are made at matching angles to ensure a snug fit and successful union. Afterward, the scion is firmly attached to the rootstock using grafting tape or rubber bands to secure the connection and promote successful healing. This ensures that the scion and rootstock fuse together effectively, allowing for the transfer of nutrients and water between the two parts. Once the grafting process is completed, the grafted cashew tree requires diligent care to promote healthy growth. Adequate watering is crucial to help the scion establish roots and begin growing as a new plant. Proper attention to pest and disease control is necessary to protect the young grafted tree from potential threats. Regular monitoring and care are essential during the post-grafting period to ensure the grafted cashew tree develops well. Once the grafted tree has grown enough and its branches have fully developed, it can be transplanted to its permanent location in the cashew orchard. Land preparation. The first step in preparing the land for cashew cultivation is clearing wild growth, including forest cover and weeds, from the selected site. This ensures that the cashew plants have sufficient space and resources to grow without competition. Planting of grafts. Healthy grafts are crucial for successful cashew cultivation. Grafting is a common method used to propagate cashew plants with desirable traits. When planting the grafts, care should be taken to ensure that the graft joint is at least 5 centimeters above the ground level. Regular aftercare, training, and pruning are vital to maintain healthy and productive cashew trees. After the field establishment of grafts, the polyethylene strip tied at the graft joint can be removed. To develop a clear trunk, lower branches are removed up to a height of 75 centimeters to 1 meter after 4 or 5 years of planting. This helps in easy cultural operations and facilitates proper plant development. Pruning is crucial for managing the canopy and avoiding overlapping of branches, which could lead to reduced sunlight exposure and hinder flowering and fruiting. Pruning also helps to remove diseased or dead branches, promoting overall tree health. An integrated approach to manuring and fertilizer application is essential for soil fertility and sustainable cashew production. A combination of inorganic and organic fertilizers is recommended for optimal plant growth and development. The fertilizer dosage should be adjusted based on soil test results, plant age, and the spacing followed. Liming can be undertaken with lime, dolomite, or other liming materials to correct soil acidity and improve nutrient availability. Implementing soil and water conservation measures is vital to prevent soil erosion and conserve moisture. Terracing is recommended in hilly areas to prevent runoff and soil erosion. Mulching helps protect the soil surface, reducing moisture loss and providing a favorable environment for plant growth. Other practices, such as trenches, catch pits, and staggered bunds, also aid in conserving soil and water resources. Pest management is a critical aspect of cashew cultivation to ensure healthy plant growth and maximize yields. Two major pests that can significantly impact cashew production are the tea mosquito bug, TMB, and cashew stem and root borer, CSRB. Timely spraying of appropriate pesticides is essential to control TMB, which damages tender shoots, panicles, and immature nuts. Additionally, phytosanitation practices, such as removing infested trees, help reduce the CSRB population and prevent further damage. In addition to these major pests, minor pests like leaf miners, leaf beetles, apple, and nut borers can also affect cashew production. Integrated pest management (IPM) practices, combining various pest control strategies, are recommended to manage these minor pests effectively. IPM involves using natural enemies, cultural practices, and targeted pesticide applications to minimize pest damage while reducing the impact on the environment and beneficial organisms. One of the emerging applications in Agriculture 4.0 is the use of UAVs for crop protection. The initial assessments of pesticide spraying using UAVs show several advantages. First, the precision and accuracy of the spraying process allow for programmed application along defined routes and at predetermined coordinates. Second, the method uses fine mist spray, which helps detect and control pests effectively. Third, it leads to significant savings in pesticide usage due to its efficient and uniform distribution. The harvesting process of cashew begins when the cashew trees have matured and the cashew apples ripen. The cashew apple, a pear-shaped fruit, grows on the end of the cashew nut, and both are harvested together. Harvesters carefully pick the ripe cashew apples from the trees. The apples are then separated from the cashew nuts, which are still encased in their hard outer shells called cashew shells or cashew drupes. This initial separation is often done manually, as the cashew nut is highly toxic before proper processing. After the separation, the cashew nuts are left to dry in the sun for a few days. The drying process helps reduce the moisture content and ensures longer storage life. Once dried, the cashew shells become brittle and can be easily cracked open to reveal the edible cashew nut inside. Ultra-modern, fully automatic cashew processing. From nut to pack, automatic raw cashew nut grading system. The first step in cashew processing is grading the raw cashew nuts according to their sizes and quality. After grading, the raw cashew nuts proceed to the cooking system. The automatic cooking system utilizes steam or hot air to evenly cook the nuts, eliminating any harmful substances and preparing them for further processing. This automated process not only ensures uniform cooking, but also enhances food safety and reduces the risk of human errors in the cooking process. Fully automatic online raw cashew nut shelling, scooping, and kernel separation system. Once the cashew nuts are properly cooked, they move on to the fully automated shelling system. This state-of-the-art machine uses precision robotics and cutting-edge technology to shell the nuts efficiently and with minimal wastage. The scooping and kernel separation system then segregates the kernels from the shells with high accuracy, optimizing the yield and maintaining the integrity of the cashew kernels. The cashew nut industry has witnessed significant advancements in recent years, especially in the realm of automation and technology. Traditional cashew processing methods involve numerous labor-intensive tasks, making the process time-consuming and prone to human errors. However, with the advent of ultra-modern, fully automatic cashew processing systems, the industry has undergone a revolutionary transformation. This article explores the key components of an ultra-modern, fully automated cashew processing line, starting from raw cashew nut grading to the final packaging of value-added products. Automatic cashew kernel drying system. The separated cashew kernels now enter the automatic drying system. This system employs controlled temperature and humidity levels to gently dry the kernels, removing any excess moisture. Maintaining the right conditions during this process is crucial to ensure the kernel's long shelf life and prevent the growth of mold or bacteria. Following the drying process, the cashew kernels may undergo the automatic humidification system if required. This system regulates the moisture content of the kernels, ensuring they reach the ideal level for further processing or packing. The automated process guarantees uniform humidification, which is essential for consistent quality and texture of the kernels. Fully automatic cashew kernel peeling system. In the next stage, the cashew kernels undergo peeling where the thin outer skin or testa is removed. The fully automatic cashew kernel peeling system uses mechanical methods, such as air pressure or friction, to gently peel the kernels without causing any damage. The automation ensures a high peeling efficiency, reduces product loss, and enhances overall product hygiene. Fully automatic cashew kernel grading and color sorting system. After peeling, the cashew kernels are graded and sorted based on their size and color. The fully automatic grading and color sorting system utilize advanced image processing and artificial intelligence to categorize the kernels accurately. This process ensures that only high-quality kernels meeting specific criteria are selected for further processing or packaging. The state-of-the-art color and size sorting machines play a vital role in the final quality of the cashew kernels. These machines utilize high-resolution cameras and advanced algorithms to detect even the slightest variations in color or size. The sorted kernels are then separated into different bins based on predetermined criteria, enabling the production of various grades of cashews. Fully automated packing line. The fully automated packing line is the last step before the cashews are ready for market distribution. This process involves a series of robotic systems and conveyor belts that fill, seal, and label the cashew pouches or containers automatically. The packing line ensures hygienic packaging, reduces human intervention, and enhances the overall efficiency of the packaging process. Value-added products. In addition to selling whole cashew kernels, the fully automated processing line allows for the creation of value-added cashew products. These may include roasted cashews, flavored cashews, cashew butter, or cashew-based snacks. The automation ensures consistency in product quality and flavor, meeting the diverse demands of consumers. Metal rejection. As a crucial safety measure, a metal rejection system is integrated into the processing line. This system employs metal detectors and advanced sensors to identify and remove any metal contaminants that may have found their way into the cashew kernels during processing. Pouch forming. The pouch forming system takes flat sheets of packaging material and shapes them into pouches or bags to contain the cashews. The automation in this step ensures precise and consistent pouch formation, minimizing packaging waste and ensuring the highest standard of presentation. Vertical vacuum machine. The vertical vacuum machine seals the pouches or containers, ensuring airtight packaging to preserve the cashew's freshness and quality. The fully automated process enhances productivity and reduces the risk of contamination during packaging. Cashews, scientifically known as Anacardium occidentale, are delicious nuts that are not only a popular snack, but also a rich source of essential nutrients. Originating from Brazil, cashews are now grown in many tropical regions worldwide, with India, Vietnam, and Nigeria being some of the top producers. Let's delve into the nutritional value of cashews and take an overview of the cashew industry with specific numbers. Nutritional value of cashews. Cashews are packed with various nutrients that contribute to overall health and well-being. Cashews are notably rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. They also contain antioxidants like vitamin E, which protect the body from oxidative stress and promote skin health. The global cashew industry has experienced significant growth over the past few decades due to increasing demand in both domestic and international markets. Here are some key statistics as of 2023. The top cashew-producing countries are India, Vietnam, Nigeria, and Ivory Coast, together accounting for a substantial portion of the world's cashew output. India is the largest producer, contributing around 700,000 metric tons annually, followed closely by Vietnam with approximately 400,000 metric tons. India is also the leading exporter of cashews, with more than 60% of the world's cashew kernels being sourced from the country. Vietnam is the second largest exporter, responsible for about 20% of the global cashew exports. The United States, the European Union, and China are among the largest consumers of cashew nuts. The increasing awareness of the health benefits of cashews and the popularity of plant-based diets have contributed to higher consumption levels. The cashew industry is a significant source of employment, especially in developing countries where cashew production is a major economic activity. It provides employment opportunities to millions of people, particularly in rural areas. Despite its growth, the cashew industry faces challenges such as climate change, price fluctuations, and labor-intensive processing methods. Ensuring sustainable farming practices and fair wages for workers are ongoing concerns. In conclusion, cashews offer a plethora of nutritional benefits, making them a valuable addition to a balanced diet. As the global cashew industry continues to thrive, it plays a vital role in the economic development of several countries while meeting the rising demand for these delicious and nutritious nuts worldwide.